What's up everybody, welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. In this video, we're gonna go over a couple of different options that you have to mount lighting accessories specifically to your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler or JT. Behind me we have Whiplash and Project GMORK. GMORK_JT on Instagram, go check that out. We haven't done a full review yet, but we are going to be doing a big walk around soon. Stay tuned for that. So what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be wiring up the lights. This kit comes with everything you need If you have a JK or a truck or whatever it is that you're mounting this on, it comes with a switch. It's down there. And it comes with inline fuses and a relay. On Whiplash, we have the, well, we didn't come installed with the factory auxiliary switches, but we actually installed them aftermarket. On GMORK, we have the spod that we're going to be using to wire it in. So we're just going to cut all this out of here. So all you need is the short and the long side for the lights. And what I'm going to do is take some scissors, and all you need is the 2 reds, the 2 whites, and the 2 blacks. All this other stuff with the switch, you don't need. You can set that aside.
So as you will no doubt take notice, if you are wiring these to a factory available auxiliary switch bank, a lot of the install is going to be relatively similar to what you have already seen. You'll first remove the cowl and run the wiring so you can access it through the hood. And a helpful tip, if I can offer one, just to make it easier for you, try mounting the light to the bracket before mounting the bracket to the vehicle. It's at least worth a shot. Might save you a little bit of struggling that I went through when I actually mounted up the lights.
Okay, so just something quick to note. If you are going to be wiring it up to factory auxiliary switches, the long end is going to be for your driver's side, which is the opposite of what we do on the spod. The spod's mounted to the driver's side, so we wired it backwards. We had the long end on the passenger side. This, we're doing it backwards because our wiring ends for our switches are on the passenger side, not on the driver's side with the spod. There we go. I heard a click. All right. Got a nice little channel right there that you can run wires through. Isn't that nice? Like this. To tie those together. Did it right here. Now if you tuck this back behind the fuse box, right? 3 is 40, 4 is 15, 2 is 15, and 1 is 40. So I have it, what do I need? I need 15 amp fuse, right? All right, guys, that's it for today. Huge thanks to everybody over at KC Hilites, Taylor, Randy, Alan, Robert, helping us out with our technical questions. There is a couple of things to note if you're using factory switches. If you're using the Jeep switches, the 4 auxiliary switches that come from the factory as an option, only use the 15 amp fuses. It won't work with the 40 amp fuses. I'm already running a light from another company on my front bumper. I already have one of my 15 amp fuses occupied with that light. So what we ended up doing was running a quick disconnect. I'm gonna go ahead and try and put an image, a still shot over the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's not that complicated. I did need a little bit of help with that though. Fortunately, my brother's an electrician, so he helped me out with that because electrical and wiring is just not my thing. But if you guys have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're enjoying our videos, leave us a comment, let us know what you want to see next. Follow my brother, Project GMORK. It's GMORK_JT. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave a little spelling of it down here on the video screen. Whiplash JLU on Instagram and RevKit. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. So that would be a, oh I'm wiring two different ones. So I need a 15 amp, both 15 amp. But my 4 is taken. So